restoration of an old Ikarus 55 Lux bus. This Ikarus 55 Lux bus was used as a public transport from 1972 to 1978, but everything changed later. Over the next 25 years, it was used as a storage house and a shed for unnecessary stuff. But in the early 2000s, it was taken to the bus depot, repaired, and returned to the service. And in 2006, it was abandoned again. But now, real enthusiasts have taken up this old car and decided to restore it completely. Do you want to see what came out of it?
Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks for sharing and bye bye.